Hi all. Today I wanted to show you something interesting. If you want to reset your Samsung S24 Ultra for some reason, and without having to worry about connecting it to a computer to back it up, or back it up to an external device, an external storage device, or another phone, just to make sure you have a full backup. So what you want to do is go to accounts and backup, and when you press reset, you have a temporary backup cloud backup. Now this offers you unlimited data storage for in the Samsung cloud for up to 30 days. So you can just this is for quick backup while you reset your phone, and once your phone is all reset and fresh, you just you're gonna have to sign in. You just restore your data from that cloud. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.